I do. I don't like chasing things, but it's gonna be right if I don't. If I meet Pokemon. Hello Pokemon, how are you today? Pokemon, where are you? I'm invisible. You can't see me. Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine New Friends Edition. We have a new friend called Pokemon a bit. And whoever's at the end of a track gets to meet Pokemon. Let's get started with Percy versus Scarlet. Whoa! Whoa! Where's my friend Pokemon? I'm here. Ow! Oh, that really hurt. You don't kick me. Ow! Oh. So don't keep away. Next up, Mike versus Thomas. Hello, is anybody here? I'm coming to find you. Where are you? James.
Where are you? I'm invisible. Bye.
And now, James versus Gordon. Let's try this again. Oops, Bo knocked it off. Let's try again. First up. Try again. Try this again. Try again. Try again. Oh, James fell off. Wow! That really hurted. I couldn't even look. Superhero, here we go. Finish up the quarter final. All Steven versus Duncan. Ow! I can't see anything. Who's that? Ow! You kicked me. No, you didn't. Give me the try. Finish up quarterfinals. Percy versus Thomas. Hello, I can't see anyone. Oh, no one's here. Percy goes on to the finals. Who will he face? James or Steven? Oh, no one's here. Percy, this is James, the final round. Well done, James, you've won.